Oops number 4 is one source, one paragraph. Well, it's fine to rely on one source to develop a point throughout a paragraph. However, it must be clear in which sentences the source is being used and in which sentences it is not. Our example. Barker and Gower examined the use of leadership presence as a way to increase productivity. Barker and Gower present a model of leadership that facilitates communication throughout the organization. However, Barker and Gower call for a retraining effort that may not be suitable for all companies. Nonetheless, Barker and Gower's approach has been shown to be useful to leaders looking to increase communication success. Wow, that's a lot of Barker and Gower. But there has to be a better way of doing this. There is. Synonyms and pronouns. Here we see that the use of synonyms and pronouns makes it clear that each of the sentences in the paragraph is a part of the Barker and Gower source. However, we did not have to repeat Barker and Gower umpteen times.